Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. I purchased a new transmitter. It's a Jumper T-Lite. I still have my RadioMaster TX16S, my good old trusty one. I'm saying good old, but I've been using it probably over 8 months now. Very happily and very enthusiastically. I love this radio. So why did I buy a Jumper? There are 3 reasons. First, Jumper is a competitor and also has OpenTX, meaning that it has multi-protocol, so it can bind to everything that my TX16X can bind to. Second, it is very small. So I had these small park flyers. I take these out like a couple at a time to our local park to fly them. And most of the time, I'm either taking these little toy radios, which don't have good accuracy, precision, flying these things. And then it is difficult to take this out, the TX16S, out of the box every time. So I wanted something small that can bind to these planes as well. So Jumper was for it. And the third reason is, an exciting reason for me, I don't know if you're excited about FPV drones, but I'm getting into FPV. That's for sure. I already purchased a couple drones, camera drones. I'm going to give you a sneak peek. These are coming, one here, and the larger one here. You can see the brand probably. I'm not going to reveal anything more, so you have to wait for these. I even have a headset, FPV goggles, that are still new in the box. So that's coming. So please stay tuned for those. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do the unboxing, and then I'm going to go outside to fly some of my airplanes using this. And then I'm going to do another video to tell you my impressions. So let's open it up and see what is inside. I pre-ordered this transmitter from Banggood.com. I just had to prepay $1 to reserve it, and just wait then 2 weeks or so. And the price was $63.99, so $64. And then once it was available, I paid the rest, $62.99. And then it was shipped, and the shipping fee was like $6. I think overall I ended up paying about $71 for it. I think it's a good price. So here it is. People have been complaining that the sticks, control sticks on this one is too small. They are too small. We'll find out about that. What is this? There's a little piece. It's top of the control stick, it looks like. Alright, it goes in here, so it's nothing broken. Maybe there's a... I don't know if there's a way of adjusting that. Yeah, the reach is not as far as this one on the TX16S, so that's probably going to get some used to. I'm sure my kids, my boys, will not have any issues because they have been playing video games and things like that. And here is the antenna, and I'm just going to install the antenna now. Screws in, and it looks like it's almost the same size. Maybe just a little shorter than the TX16S antenna. And what else do we have? Back, the charging cable that goes to a regular USB adapter, and this is a CUSB, compact USB. A little box to keep something inside. I'm not sure what. And by the way, the box design is really funny. There are a lot of stuff on it, and nothing that can be really controlled by this. You know, there's no airplane, no cars, no helicopters, no drones, no boats, but we have a space station, we have a rocket ship, and we also have a UFO and a lot of planets and stars. So it is really nice looking box. It's kind of funny that they didn't put any planes on this. And here we have I don't know what it is, to tell you the truth. It's the first time I'm getting one of these small transmitters. It's a board that goes somewhere on the back. I guess I have to read the description, the instructions. Oh, by the way, this is the multi-protocol version. So there are two versions. If you are buying this, ordering it from Banggood, make sure to order if you want the multi-protocol, order the more expensive one. The other comes with CC 2500, that's good for Futaba, Free Fry Sky, High Tech, those kind of protocols, just one protocol. And then the version called JP 4-in-1, I'm guessing Jumper Protocol 4-in-1, has all 4 protocols of the OpenTX. So get that one, that it will give you much more flexibility of the receiver that you can control, or the planes that you can control. And then it says, warning, please make sure the battery is correctly inserted. I'm assuming that the battery is here. I don't see a battery, so it's going to require a battery. I wish I knew. I think I have some of those lithium-ion batteries that will fit here. But I hope that it will be coming with a battery. And T-Lite external module, so I guess this is for installing an external module here. Is this one? I don't know. Probably this goes in, and then you kind of screw this in over here somehow. I don't know which orientation, and then the module just slides in and clicks. So it will be holding it outside like this. So this goes in, and then this will be like that. I'm not going to do that because I'm just going to use one of the 4 internal multi-protocol modules. And so what I'm going to do next is also like a nice little a sheet of, funny little stickers to personalize yours. So what I'm going to do next is just get one of those batteries that I have and put that in and start charging it. And then I'm going to bind it to my little eSheen T28 Trojan, and then just go outside and fly it in the park. I may also take the original controller just to have a good comparison right on the field. If you have any questions, if you have suggestions about my new radio, please let me know. In the coming weeks and months, I'll be using this one to connect to my new FPV drones and small planes and small helicopters, and they're dedicated to smaller planes where I keep my RadioMaster TX16S for larger planes. So those videos are coming. Thank you very much for watching. Again, if you have any suggestions, please leave them below in the comment section. Hope to see you back on our channel. Stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.